Hello guys, mayang lunch for today. Magluto pa ko lumpia. And then how about my adobo? Mga unta guys. Yeah, I will tilaw first. Nami ni siya, nami. Okay, I will put sili. My God, I cannot kita the sili over here. Over here. Diba? I will put sili for the adobo. Yummy and your tummy. Thank you for watching guys. Babush. Yan, taklubin. Kasi lutuin na. And then, my lumpia is not done. Chicken joy.
Gusto kita.
Babush.